If you are someone who loves making bread but do not want to spend hours kneading the dough, this is the perfect recipe for you. Trust me, it tastes delicious. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Amisha Gupta. Let me show you how to make the best focaccia bread. Let's get started. In a big bowl, combine 4 cups of flour, that is 500 grams of flour, 3.5 tablespoons of sugar, 2 teaspoons salt, 10 grams instant yeast. Make sure the salt and yeast don't touch each other and mix them in the flour separately. If using instant yeast, you can mix it indirectly with the flour. If using active dry yeast, mix it with the lukewarm water and sugar to activate. To the flour mixture, add in lukewarm water and some olive oil. Mix it well with the spatula until all the water has been absorbed and there are no dry bits left. Mix it well. You can see how easily it is getting formed. Once done, cover the bowl with the plastic wrap for proofing. Allow the dough to ferment at room temperature for 2 hours. See how the dough looks. Now we'll wait for 2 hours and we'll get back. Once the dough has rested and fermented, transfer it into a greased bowl. See how it looks? It has doubled in size. We'll take a big bowl, add in oil and grease it well. Now we'll transfer the dough into the greased bowl. Once the dough is transferred, dip your spatula in water and start folding the dough over itself. Repeat the motion for about 60 seconds. Transfer the dough to a greased baking tin using greased hands to uniformly spread out along the edges of the tray. We'll try to spread it out evenly from all the sides. Once done, cover it with a greased plastic wrap to prevent the dough from sticking. We'll grease the plastic wrap properly to avoid the sticking. Allow it to proof in a warm spot for approximately 2 hours or until the dough doubles in size. Once the dough doubles, preheat the oven for at least 15 minutes at 230 degrees Celsius. After the second proof, carefully remove the plastic wrap with the help of wet fingertips and dimple the dough gently to form classic focaccia dimples. See how it is done? Now we will season it with the choice of toppings. Today I am using caramelized onions. We'll spread it nicely. Some black olives and jalapenos. Drizzle it with the olive oil. See how tasty it looks like. Trust me, this tastes so good. Now we'll bake at 230 degrees Celsius for approximately 25 minutes until the top is golden browned. Once the bread is baked, we'll take it out and drizzle some olive oil on it. And once the bread is warm to touch, we'll demold it with the help of a knife. See how pretty it looks like? Allow it to cool down before slicing. Enjoy it with olive oil or make sandwiches out of it. Happy baking! Thank you so much for watching my video. If you like this video, please do give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.